Sunnah Foods are foods that our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, ate and recommended. They are nourishing for our bodies and souls. When we eat these foods, we follow his example and earn blessings. These foods are gifts from Allah, full of healing and goodness. They remind us to be grateful for his blessings. Let us explore these treasures and discover their benefits. Dates are a sweet and chewy fruit, loved since ancient times. The Prophet, peace be upon him, called them the food of the people of paradise. Dates are rich in fiber, which is good for digestion. They also give us energy and vital minerals like potassium. Try eating a few dates for breakfast or as a snack. Honey is a golden liquid made by bees from the nectar of flowers. The Quran tells us that honey is having a source healing for humanity. Honey is naturally sweet and a good source of energy. It also has antibacterial properties that can soothe a sore throat. Add a spoonful to warm water or tea. Olive oil, pressed from olives, is a blessed food mentioned in the Quran. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Eat olive oil and use it on your bodies." Olive oil is full of healthy fats that are good for our hearts. It can help lower bad cholesterol and protect us from diseases. Use it in cooking, salads, or for dipping bread. Section 5. The power of black seed. A remedy for every illness. Black seed is a small black seed with a powerful aroma. It is known for its amazing health benefits. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Black seed is a cure for every disease except death." Black seed can boost our immune system, fight inflammation, and improve digestion. You can sprinkle it on food, mix it with honey, or take it as a supplement. Section 6. Barley, simple grain, profound benefits. Barley is a hearty grain that has been eaten for centuries. The Prophet, peace be upon him, recommended barley soup for its health benefits. Barley is rich in fiber, which helps us feel full and aids in digestion. It can also help regulate blood sugar levels. Try barley in soups, stews, or as a side dish. Section 7. Figs and grapes, fruits of paradise. Figs and grapes are delicious fruits mentioned in the Quran as blessings from paradise. They are sweet and juicy, enjoyed by people of all ages. Figs are a good source of fiber and minerals. Grapes are full of antioxidants, which protect our cells from damage. Enjoy these fruits fresh, dried, or as part of a healthy snack. Section 8. Watermelon, a refreshing and healthy choice. Watermelon, with its juicy red flesh, is a refreshing treat on a hot day. It was a favorite fruit of the Prophet, peace be upon him. Watermelon is mostly water, keeping us hydrated. It is also a good source of vitamins and antioxidants. Enjoy watermelon on its own or in a fruit salad. Section 9. Incorporating Sunnah Foods into your life. Adding Sunnah Foods to our diet doesn't have to be difficult. Start by making small changes one step at a time. Replace processed snacks with dates or fruits. Use olive oil for cooking instead of unhealthy oils. Add honey to your tea or yogurt. Incorporate these foods mindfully with gratitude to Allah. By doing so, we nourish our bodies and souls, following the beautiful example of our Prophet, peace be upon him.